been busy at work, so I haven't been able to vlog very much, and I haven't finished editing my video that I did a couple of days ago, so I'm really sorry about that, but I'm hoping to get at least one in a week. But I just thought I'd share a little something with you today. This annoying creature. Ugh. This is my... Ooh. This is my beautiful, fluffy, annoying cat. She's called Millie, and she's been dying to get on my lap. Most of the time I've been trying to do work. She's really fluffy, and now I've got fluffy in my mouth.